Good morning, engineers. Today we are going to see cascade control system. This concept of cascade control system is simple and it is very easy to understand. The cascade control system is nothing but the output of a primary controller will be the set point for the secondary controller. Let me explain this concept briefly later. Before we go to cascade control system, we need to know simple controller and its parameters. Parameters such as set value or set point, input value and output value. Set value, it is nothing but set pointer. This set point or set value is given by the operator to the controller. So controller take necessary action to maintain the process within the set value itself. If the value of process go beyond set value in plus or in minus, it is considered as error by the controller. So controller take necessary action to control the process by giving output signal. So it maintain the process value within the set value itself. That's why we are using set values. Input values are process variables. This is nothing but the value taken from the process side through transmitters. Output value, this is the calculated value according to the error by the controller. The output value is given by the controller to the final control element to control the process. So now we know what is set value, process variable or input value, and output and its uses. Now we going to see cascade control system. In this figure I given two controller. One was level controller and another one was flow controller. I specified level controller as primary control and flow controller marked as secondary controller. Why I do like this? Because cascade having master and slave. So master I consider as primary control and slave I consider as secondary control. Normally cascade control system, level controller I marked as primary, that is called master, and no more master, only one master in cascade control system, and we can use 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 n number of slave we can use it as a secondary control. In this figure I only marked only one secondary controller. This is a simple cascade control system I need to explain. So the level controller is the primary and flow controller is the secondary in this figure. What is called cascade means the output of level controller, that is primary controller, will be the set point for the secondary controller, that is we have flow controller as secondary controller. This is called cascade system. This cascade system we are used in a process industry. So as an operator, how they taken the cascade system in line. First of all, this both the system, both the controller as a primary controller and secondary controller, we need to put it in auto. Second, we have to put secondary controller first cascade, and then we have to put primary controller in cascade. This is the steps to take the cascade control in line. So this is the concept of cascade controller. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, it will be useful